काँग्रेस फोंड्याची पोटवेंचणूक लढयतले आनी जिखून लेगीत येतले असो विश्वास विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमांवान उक्तायलो. फोंड्या पोटवेंचणुकेची तारीख जाहीर जाल्या उपरांत युती विशीं स्पश्ट करतले अशें युरीन सांगलें.
सर्गेस्त मंत्री रवी नायकाच्या मरणा उपरांत फोंड्या आमदारकीचे पद रिते आसा. आता फोंड्या पोटवेंचणूक जाता ताका लागून जायते जाण ही वेंचणूक लडोवपाक तयार जाल्यात. काँग्रेसीन आपली तयारी लेगीत सुरवात केल्या. काँग्रेस फोंडा पोटवेंचणूक लढयतली आनी जिखून लेगीत येतली असो विश्वास विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमांवान उक्तायलो. पोटवेंचणुकेची तारीख जाहीर जाल्या उपरांत युती विशीं स्पश्ट करतले अशें युरीन सांगलें. ग्रँड ऑपोजिशनाचेर पाटकरान केल्ल्या विधानाचेर पत्रकारांनी एल्टनाक प्रस्न विचारलो जाल्यार तांणी सांगलें पयलीं पाटकराक वेचून येवनी मागीरूच ताका युतीचें म्हत्व कळटलें अशें एल्टन उलयलो.
Ponda AJ, first of all, the date is not enough. But I will, as leader of opposition, make an appeal. I make an appeal also to the other political parties within the state, within the opposition, that there a fight has to be 1-to-1. 1-to-1, there is a fight. We stand a very good chance. And the Congress party itself today in Ponda is strong. We are capable of winning this seat. Whatever Bab Ravi Naik has done, no doubt he was a congressman first, and whatever he has done. But today, if you look, जाऊं hospital, जाऊं रस्ते, जाऊं sewage problem, yes, सगळे जरी जर आम चयल्यात थिंगा आनी despite the Ponda taluka having 4 MLAs from there, still there are so many things that need to be done. We will definitely speak to the other political parties, and the Congress party will definitely contest. And definitely the plan is to win. We are not here to do just to play an election. We are here to win. And whatever needs to be done to win that election, we will do. Candidate Kurpamani, there is a party, there is a system. Whoever I think is interested, I think we definitely have Rajesh already there in the race. He is already shown his thing. But there are other people, whoever are interested, I believe. The thing is the cadre is ready. Let the election be announced. I believe the process has already started. People are meeting all of us as I speak to you. But the strategy I will not put it out. But definitely we will win Ponda. 100% we will win Ponda.
Ponda seat actually आमगेले Congress seat कळना तुका. So it is our first to ask for that seat. आणि आमचो गेलते पाटी आम उडयले ZP उडयले during MP election also. Yes, definitely cadre we will ask तेंगेले views घेतले. But winnability चोवपा जाय. आज BJP जे कितें आहा, BJP आसल्यार ते सगळे एकठांय जातात. आमकां along with our cadre, we will see that winnability also, and we will put our stake first because Congress तेंगे बाकीच्या कोणा वळखाय ना तेंगे. So Congress will stake claim for that seat. आता आम elect जाले न्हू, elect जाले म्हणटकीर मातशें totally different जाता.
आणि तेची different totally.
मातशें election politics मागीर तें कोटले सारकें.
So तेणे election politics कळना.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही.